actually asked if we could take the metro.
Yeah.
But then it was such a last minute request that I think by the time we figured out which metro from where to take, we would have been even later.
Oh.
So we might actually catch one now
Okay.
on the way because we have to go to a mall somewhere.
Yes, you have to go to Whitefield.
Yeah. What is the best line to take, guys? यहाँ से Whitefield
Purple line.
metro.
Metro
It's
is
faster.
enough, I've been telling you.
Better by road or better by metro right now? So you all will tell us from where to go? We are not joking, we're serious. Which? Mark the road, huh? Just guys. Yes. We'll do some marketing also over there.
Beautiful.
Promote the metro. Yeah. So thank you for that. We'll take that.
Beautiful. Okay, how are you liking Bangalore so far?
You know, we just came in the morning, but I've been to Bangalore many times, and I've had a great time in the city. Obviously, the weather is so unparalleled.
Yes.
So, and this morning I woke up, I thought there was a storm. It was so windy and nice. I mean, weather, food, everything. I've always had a great time in Bangalore. So,
Filter coffee.
Yeah, filter coffee on the way. I need a coffee, but unfortunately today is just a quick. You know, we're here just for a few hours, so we're not gonna. We're trying to get one meal in on the way.
Okay, what would you like to have then?
I think we're thinking about dosa. Yeah.
I like pesarattu also.
Pesarittu. Wow, beautiful. Although you said dosa in the trailer, it's actually dose. We call it dose in Karnataka.
My apologies. I hope you accept. I'll go and dub it now when I go back.
No, it's all okay. It's all fine. All right. So Bangalore is a major part in the movie, isn't it?
It is actually. The film starts in Bangalore.
Our first interaction is in Bangalore.
And the movie starts in the city. So it was only fitting for us to come here. Okay. So it was only fitting for us to come here as our first city on the tour. So we're very happy to be here, starting off.
Have you learnt any Kannada so far?
No, but you can teach us.
Okay. Sarah, you did a very beautiful namaskara. Can you?
I did, right?
Yes, you did. Can you also add namaskara, hegidira to it? Hegidira is how are you?
So, Namaskara Bangalore, Hegidela.
Yes.
But with the flow.
Hegidira.
Hegidira.
Hegidira. Correct. Oh my God. 10 on 10.
Namaskara, hegidira.
This is it, just speak quickly. Namaskara Bangalore, Hegidira.
Something like that. Hey, what did he say? Oh, guys. But you're not used to it or what? The traffic is a thing.
Traffic in the city is, I mean, people always talk about Bangalore ki traffic, but matlab aaj aakar pata chala, it was not good.
Yeah.
It was really
Peak time.
we would not move only.
Now, Bombay also has traffic. So.
Not like this.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You don't come here often. We forgive you.
Thank
it's all
you,
right.
Thank you.
Okay, but coming back to Kannada, what do you like to eat, Sarah? I want to know from you. Apart from Pesarittu, what do you like to eat here in Bangalore?
So I like pesarattu, I like the ghee puri idli, I like dosa, I like malga puri chutney, I like ghee, I like sambar, I like everything.
Do you want to say, I like ghee puri idli in Kannada for us?
How do I do that?
Okay. Nanage ghee puri idli.
Nanige ghee puri idli.
Tumba ishta.
Tumba ishta.
Now at one go?
No, it's fine.
No, I want to do it.
No, I will give you the cue for it. Nanage Kish. Tumba ishta. That is me. You just said that you like me. Thank you.
Ooh, very smart.
Very nice.
Smooth. Nice.
Alright, okay. So we have a lot of questions here. People are sizzling, not just with impatience, but also with questions. Can we have the first question? Anyone? Anyone who has a question for the star cast? Let's begin with the press. Metro character? Okay. Can you please talk about your characters in the movie?
Well, yeah, I think I had a lot of fun playing my character. He's a young, carefree soul with not too much planning in life. He's kind of just goes with the flow. He's a travel blogger, no ideas of marriage or any big commitments in life. Just a young guy having fun, doing whatever he wants. So it reminded me of my younger days.
So are you playing yourself in the movie?
I don't think so. I mean, now as you get older, you have more responsibilities and all that. But that's why it was fun to play that. And then it's about how he changes in the movie, how his ideas of life, his outlook on life changes based on who he meets and the impact those people have on him. That's a little bit about my character.
Sarah, about your character?
So,
With a-
well, my character is basically confused, and she thinks she has her life figured out, but somewhere along the way, like life hits her and she realizes that she doesn't actually. And she's very regimented to begin with. Ki aisa hi hoga, this will be exactly like this, and then she, learns to kind of try to let that go.
It's your first time working together. How was the first day on the set? Was it awkward?
No,
awkward.
not awkward.
Not
Actually, it
awkward.
was the opposite. We were quite easy.
Comfortable.
Yeah, I think Anurag sir's process is a process that takes some time getting used to, at least a couple of days, because he's a very unique director. He has a very unique way of working. So sometimes I guess for an actor, first couple of days can be a little bit tricky. So I think I had worked with him before in Ludo, so I knew of his process. Maybe for Sara it was a new one.
It was very new. It
Yeah.
was very new. We didn't know exactly what we were going to shoot. It was a huge process of like, as an actor, you're used to a little bit of prep and plan. And then you just have to kind of like let go and surrender to the moment, which is so amazing because I think that's what we, like to do in life sometimes. Just surrender and trust and let magic happen rather than always know exactly how it's going to be.
Yeah.
So it was quite a journey for Sara and my character.
Yeah,
This
I remember
letting go of regimenting.
And on the first day, I saw a big look of confusion on her face, and like you said, your character was confused. So I think Basu was,
I think that's
Dada
why
was getting you into the.
Yeah, Basra cast me only because he's like, this girl sometimes just looks at me with a question mark on my face. Let me use this.
So
I said, yeah, okay.
no,
Come on,
but
then,
it was easy. It was
Hmm.
fun. Yeah, working together. Yeah.
Check.
I don't know. I've not analyzed it in that way. I like to think he seems to be quite a good-hearted, carefree young soul. I don't mind acting as if it's like me in real life, but I think you'll have to ask my friends and family if they agree with you.
For how many days you guys shot in Bangalore?
We didn't shoot in
We
Bangalore.
didn't shoot in Bangalore. Our story is set in Bangalore, but
Yeah, but like in this
Basra is the magician,
filmmaking
so-
process, sometimes you kind of
Cheat
use it in
locations.
another way, and nowadays with technology, there are lots of ways of keeping a good budget, but finding a way to show something on screen. So
The tagline of this movie is your story, your love story. Is this any commonalities between your character and your real life?
no.
So, well, Adi said, I think that for me, I'm very talkative. Like as Sara, I'm expressive, I'm talkative, I use my words a lot. I think my character is not like that. I think there's much more within. And I think she's like socially awkward. You'll see in the film, it starts with an introduction about me, my character. There's like a VO where you'll understand more about her. But she's a lot more like socially awkward and like confused than I think I am.
I think what the tagline implies when they say your own story is that there's so many different types of love stories in the film, different age groups, different shades of love that I think what Anurag sir is trying to portray, which he's telling the audience that you will identify with someone in the movie. You'll see yourself and maybe your love story in one of them. So that's why I guess the tagline is your own story.
सर आप और आदित्य दोनों के बीच में एक बड़ी फर्क बनता है मतलब आप दोनों देशभक्ति की फिल्म में बनाया ऑलरेडी इससे पहले ये वतन मेरे वतन आपने बनाया और स्काई फोर्स में भी आपने काम किया एक एक्ट्रेस होने के नाते जब स्क्रिप्ट चेंज होता है ना मतलब देशभक्ति से एक नया दौर है मतलब मेट्रो इन दिनों ये चेंज ओवर को आप कैसे फील कर सकते हैं एज एक्ट्रेस होके और जब आप एक स्टेप उठाते हैं ना मतलब आई हैव टू डू दिस सिनेमा what is the main changeover between the previous films and this film?
Sir, as an actor, I think it's very important to be versatile at least and try. I want to be able to try every kind of genre. Ae Watan Mere Watan released the same month as Murder Mubarak. Right before that, there was Zara Hatke. So I think that, that's the fun of being an actor. No, you get to play lives that are not yours. You get to live characters jo aapse pare hain. And like this character, for instance, she's so different to who I am, Like I said earlier, I'm loud and bubbly and, chirpy. I don't know if I keep things in as much. And it was an interesting challenge for me to play something different. And as long as I can keep doing that, I want to be able to do every genre just across the board and keep growing and keep learning so I can do what I love doing.
And Sky Force वो हमारी कहानी है कोडागु के कहानी एक
जी जी
थैंक यू सो मच
थैंक यू
Aditya ji, as there is a tagline, your own story. So, do you have any of the story status of relationship?
I didn't understand your question exactly.
There is a tagline, your own story, for your film. So, do you have any relationship status?
Oh, my relationship status. My only relationship right now is with Metro Hind, you know. So till the 4th of July, my status is promoting.
So, at least can you give a suggestion for this young generation as how modern love is, what they are dealing with?
Any suggestion? I don't know if I can give any great suggestion of any worth. Maybe, you know, our phones have become such a big part of our life that maybe using less of your phone, because we are more connected as people than ever before. We are hyper connected, but I don't know if the quality of communication is very good. You might know what your friends are doing all the time, but are you really talking to them? Are you really nurturing your relationships? Just because you send each other memes the whole day doesn't mean you know what's going on in each other's lives. So I think using your phone less and actually having real conversations with the people in your life is a good way to kind of enrich your relationships.
Saraji, I have one question which is out of your full. That is, recently Salman Khan ji has opened up about his marriage and also the health issue what he is dealing with his brain anonymous. So, do you have any concern? What did you say after listening to this health issues of Salman Khan ji? Are you aware of this news?
Have you heard of this? No.
Recently, he opened up in Kapil Sharma's show. Yes.
Okay.
We will take 4 more questions. I think you've asked 2-3 questions. We'll move on to this side as well. I had some hands here. Anyone from here, please pass the mic. Yes, the man in the blue. Yes.
आदित्य, मैं आपका इतना बड़ा फैन हूँ कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मूवी बचपन से आपको मैं फॉलो करता आ रहा हूँ. लाइक जो आप में रियल लाइफ में आपका जो करते हो, लाइक फिजिक है आपका ड्रेस सेंस है, सब कुछ फॉलो करता आ रहा हूँ. लेकिन ये एक चीज पे अटक रहा हूँ, वो रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस पे.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि आप नई लड़कियों से ज्यादा लड़कियों को डेट कर चुके हो. मैं क्या करूँ, शादी हो जाऊँ या डेट करूँ किसी को?
देखो, जो भी आप मीडिया में पढ़ते हैं इसका मतलब नहीं है कि ये ट्रू है.
लेकिन
आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है?
अभी मैं सिंगल हूँ एक्चुअली.
अच्छा, तो सिंगल अच्छा है ना.
लाइफ में आप जो कुछ भी कर रहे हो उसको ऐड करता जा रहा हूँ. फिजिक के लिए जिम को जा रहा हूँ, ड्रेस सेंस के लिए अच्छा कपड़ा खरीद रहा हूँ, और लुक्स के लिए भी सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ.
ये सब करे तो सब हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो.
अभी सिंगल हूँ ना, जो क्या
तो आपको क्या चाहिए?
आप सिंगल हो या कमिटेड हो या शादी करना चाहते हो, कुछ बोलो ना.
दीदी, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, अभी तो मेरा कमिटमेंट बस ये फिल्म के साथ है. 4 जुलाई तक तो मैं रिलेशनशिप में हूँ, बट विद मेट्रो इन दिनों.
थैंक यू.
आई थिंक आपको आपकी सारी टिप्स मूवी से मिल जाएंगे. सारे रिलेशनशिप स्टेजेस क्लियर हो जाएंगे. वील टेक वन मोर लास्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस साइड इफ समबडी वांट्स टू टेक.
Not recently. I haven't watched any suggestions. Not recent. Not over here.
But we've seen like Kantara.
Kantara, of course.
Yeah,
KGF.
we've seen
Kantara,
these
of course. Yes.
We've seen these
Of course.
films.
I mean, I would love to. If there was a good subject,
script, then
there's such
why
amazing
not?
movies being made that if someone comes with a great idea, absolutely open. It'll be a challenge, obviously. You know, anytime speaking a new language is a challenge, but it's an interesting challenge to take on. As an actor, you should be able to try and speak in different languages. So definitely. I'm not personally friends with any Kannada artists.
So look up to their work a lot. I know
Yes.
the cinema is inspiring, but I think on a personal level, I don't really know.
No, but I mean, it's always inspiring to see the kind of work that's
Work.
coming out and, aspire to do similar stuff to that.
Just better
Yeah.
and better.
I think so you can help them connect and maybe you can be
Yeah. You can help us, yeah?
Yeah.
And next time when we are spending a night or something, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
so sweet, sir.
Yes.
All right, with that, we've come to the end of questions. We have something very special planned because the singer, Shashwat Singh, is also
Oh,
here.
lovely. Great.
Yes? Okay, thank you so much for your
Yes.
time. Lovely.
Thank you,
Both
guys.
of you look beautiful.
Thank
and
you.
we forgive you for being late.
Yeah,
Once
sorry
again.
guys. Sorry for keeping you waiting. We didn't mean to. Thank you very much. Please spread the word. 4th of July. My girlfriend.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.